Hello, I'm James from Crayola. Welcome to Creativity Tips. Today's session is on turtle textures. Turtles are one of the oldest group of reptiles on Earth. They are the only living creature with a backbone that has a shell and is covered with beautiful designs and textures. Their shell also protects them. It serves as a home and helps with camouflage. During the month of May, World Turtle Day is celebrated to help conserve and protect this ancient, unique species. For this activity, you will create a textured turtle. You will need paper, paint, oil pastels, crayon, colored pencils, glue, and scissors. First, cover your paper with the oil pastels. This will serve as the base colors of the shell. Next, paint over the oil pastels with at least 2 layers of paint. Ready for a creativity tip? Lightly sketch the design of the shell using colored pencil. Now press firmly to scratch away the paint to create a textured design. Draw the other body parts of the turtle. I'm drawing a sea turtle with front and back flippers that helps with swimming and digging. Include the texture and details for the skin. When finished, cut and glue the body parts to the shell. Parents and teachers, post young artist creations on social media. Thank you for letting your ideas shine today and stay colorful with Creativity Tips.